Welcome back to our channel, where we delve into the fascinating world of science and technology. In today's video, we'll be exploring the incredible potential of photovoltaic (PV) panels, devices that harness the power of sunlight to generate clean and renewable electricity. Join us as we dive into the inner workings of PV panels, discuss their advantages, installation considerations, efficiency, economics, emerging trends, success stories, challenges, and the future outlook. Let's get started.
Photovoltaic panels, or PV panels for short, are revolutionary devices that convert sunlight directly into electricity through the photovoltaic effect. At the heart of these panels are solar cells, which are made of semiconductor materials like silicon. When sunlight strikes these cells, the photons in the sunlight transfer their energy to the electrons in the material, creating an electric current. This current is then captured and channeled through electrical connections to power our homes, businesses, and communities.
PV panels come in various types, including monocrystalline, polycrystalline, and thin film panels. Monocrystalline panels are made from a single crystal structure, giving them a uniform and sleek appearance. Polycrystalline panels, on the other hand, are made from multiple crystal fragments, resulting in a slightly lower efficiency but a more affordable price point. Thin film panels are flexible and lightweight, allowing for creative integration into various surfaces. Each type has its own advantages and considerations, such as efficiency, cost, and aesthetics, which make them suitable for different applications.
PV panels offer several key advantages that make them an increasingly popular choice for renewable energy generation. First and foremost, they rely on sunlight, an abundant and virtually limitless energy source. By harnessing sunlight, PV panels contribute to reducing our reliance on fossil fuels and help combat climate change. Additionally, PV panels produce clean energy, releasing no harmful emissions during operation. This not only improves air quality but also minimizes the ecological impact of electricity generation. Another significant advantage is the potential for energy independence. PV panels can be installed in remote areas, providing electricity to off-grid locations or acting as a backup power source during grid outages.
Installing PV panels involves careful consideration of various factors. They can be mounted on rooftops, ground-mounted, or even integrated into building materials. Rooftop installations are popular for residential buildings, making use of available space. Ground-mounted systems are suitable for larger-scale installations, such as solar farms. Building-integrated PV systems offer exciting opportunities, as PV technology can be seamlessly integrated into windows, roofs, and other architectural elements. Optimal orientation and tilt angle are crucial to maximize energy production, taking into account the local latitude, shading, and nearby objects that may obstruct sunlight. Connecting PV panels to the electrical grid enables the surplus energy to be exported, while net metering allows for a fair exchange of electricity with the utility company.
PV panel efficiency is affected by several factors. Sunlight intensity, temperature, and shading all play a role in determining the output of the panels. High-quality PV panels can convert a significant portion of sunlight into electricity, while lower-quality panels may experience higher energy losses. Understanding power ratings and efficiency ratings helps in selecting the right PV panels for specific needs. Over time, PV panels may experience a slight degradation in performance, but proper maintenance and monitoring can help ensure optimal efficiency throughout their lifespan.
While PV panels require an initial investment, they offer long-term economic benefits. The cost of PV panels has been decreasing over the years, making them more accessible to homeowners, businesses, and governments. Financial incentives, such as government rebates and tax credits, further reduce the upfront costs and provide attractive returns on investment. Additionally, PV panel owners can potentially save on electricity bills by generating their own energy and even earn money by selling excess electricity back to the grid. Various financing options and leasing programs are available to make PV panel installations financially feasible for a wider range of individuals and organizations.
The world of PV panels is continuously evolving, with exciting trends and innovations on the horizon. One such innovation is the development of perovskite solar cells, which have the potential to improve efficiency and reduce manufacturing costs. Bifacial PV panels are gaining popularity due to their ability to capture sunlight from both sides, increasing energy production. Integration of PV panels into building materials, such as solar windows and solar roof tiles, presents opportunities to seamlessly incorporate renewable energy into our daily lives.
Let's take a look at some real-life examples of successful PV panel installations. From residential rooftops to massive utility-scale solar farms, PV panels are making a significant impact. These success stories highlight the environmental benefits of clean energy production, the potential for cost savings, and the positive influence on local communities. By showcasing these examples, we can inspire others to consider adopting PV panels and contribute to a sustainable future.
While PV panels have tremendous potential, they also face certain challenges. One key challenge is the intermittency of solar power. Since sunlight is not available 24/7, the storage of excess energy and grid integration become important considerations. However, advancements in energy storage technologies, such as batteries, are addressing this challenge and making PV panels a reliable source of electricity. Ongoing research and development efforts are focused on improving PV panel efficiency, durability, and affordability. With continued innovation and increased scalability, PV panels hold the promise of transforming our energy landscape.
As we conclude our exploration of photovoltaic panels, we encourage you to consider the power of the sun and the impact you can make by adopting this clean and renewable energy source. Whether you are a homeowner, business owner, or policymaker, exploring the potential of PV panels can lead to environmental benefits, energy savings, and a sustainable future. Together, let's harness the power of sunlight and make a positive change in our world. That's all for today's video. We hope you found it informative and inspiring. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting science and technology discussions. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.